So I got here a 2011 F550, and our clearance light right there is out. I tried to change the bulb, but it's not the bulb, it's the light, it's the housing itself. That one got ripped off last winter, so I changed it with I think it was a Dorman one, and it got hot, the bulb burnt out, and it kind of melted the connector a little bit. It doesn't seem to want to work very well, and I gotta go get an inspection on this. So I did a once over, found out it was out, tried to get it working. It's kind of intermittent, but I don't want to go there and then have to mess with it when I get there, so I'm just gonna change it again, and hopefully you don't have any more problems. So these guys are a T20. Get it in there. That one. So yeah, I'll probably take this off. Pull that back. I got two of them. I don't know if you can see what I see. Yep. Oh, that's a socket. Looks like an 8mm. It's either gonna be a 7 or an 8. Yeah, it's a 7. Kind of thought it was a 7. No. Is that? Now we can reach up in there, right? Down a little bit. If I can show you where it is, so you can see it right there. You got the bolts coming through, right there. I'll take those two nuts off and unplug that and swap it out. See? I'll pull that out and then I'll come back after. So there's a part number for it from Advance Dorman Health product. Yep. And there's your thing. So I got the two bolts off. Pull it up and it don't fall off. Pull the dirt off the seal area. Squeeze that and unplug it. Take this one, plug it in, see if it works. Works? Yay! So here we go. Put the nut on, and the two nuts on. Should be good. So I think a tip would be that if you take the other visor down as well, you probably have better access to this than the way that I'm doing it. Voila. Oh. So these have got like little things on them to kind of capture the bolt in there so it won't fall out. Just in case you're wondering. So come along and make sure you pull the gasket back out so it's not pinched up in there. Well, we're all working now. Should be all set for an inspection. So, hope that can help somebody. Thanks for watching.